Hey everyone, I'm Sakib. Welcome to Ecomclips, the go-to place for all e-commerce tips. Today, we're diving into something every Shopify seller needs to know: how to create discount codes on Shopify. Whether you want to boost your sales, reward loyal customers, or run a flash sale, discount codes are your secret weapons. So grab a coffee and let's jump right in. Discount codes are special words or number that your customers type at checkout to get a deal like 20% off or free ship. Discount codes make shoppers feel special, create a sense of urgency, and help you track your marketing success. It's like giving your customers a thank you while you grow your sales. When and why to use discount codes? You can use discount codes for many things, like sending email campaigns, rewarding your VIP customers, bringing back old customers who haven't ordered in a while, or for big shopping events like Black Friday or Christmas. Basically, whether you want attention or more orders, discount codes do the job. Where to find discount settings? From your Shopify admin, click on discounts from the left menu. Here you can see all your discounts, create new ones or edit old ones. It all in one easy place. Shopify lets you make 6 kind of discount codes. Today you will learn the first 4 type of discounts, and the remaining 2 I'll share in the next video if I get a good response in this video. So hit like, comment and subscribe. Number 1, amount of products, like 25% off t-shirts. Number 2, amount of orders, like $20 off on your total orders. Number 3, buy X, get Y, like buy 2, get 1 free. And number 4, free shipping. You can create these as discount codes your customers enter, or make them automatic so they apply on their own. Alright, let's create one together. Amount of products. Go to discount, create discount. Now choose amount of products. Under method, select discount code. Type your code, for example, 15 off. Pick if it's a percentage or a fixed amount. Choose which products or collections it applies to. Add a minimum spend if you want. Choose who can use it, all customers or specific ones. Add usage limits, set a start and end date. And then click save. And you are done. Amount of orders. Same idea, but this one gives a discount on the total order. It's perfect for store-wide sales, like save 10 on all orders. Buy X, get Y. This one's awesome for bundles. Say buy 2, get 1 free. Choose the buy items, then get items. Set how much of, percentage, fixed or free. Then save your discount and you're ready to go. Free shipping. Everyone loves free shipping. Go to discounts, click create discount, choose the free shipping, enter your code, maybe free ship 50. Pick which country it applies to. You can set it to only work for orders over a certain amount. Done. Your customers can now check out with no shipping cost. Testing your discount codes. Before you launch your discount, test it. You can create a draft order and apply your discount, or place a test order yourself and try the code at checkout, or just go through the checkout, apply the code and stop before payment. Make sure the right products get discounted and limits work correctly. How to share your discount codes? Now that your code works, let's share it. You can send it by email, show it to your store banners or pop-ups, or post it on social media. To make a shareable link, open your discount, click promote, then get a shareable link. Copy it and share it anywhere. Need to edit or pause a code? Easy. Go to your discount page, edit, deactivate or delete anytime. Best practices. Here are a few pro tips. Use short, simple codes like summer 25. Avoid special characters. They can cause checkout errors. Use limited time offers to create urgency. Make separate code for new and loyal customers. And always check your report to see what's working. And that's it. Now you know how to create discount codes on Shopify like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a new Ecomclips tutorial. If you need help with your store setup or marketing, email us at info@ecomclips.com. We would love to help you out. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.